हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय बिग स्टोरी। सो आज हम देखने वाले हैं संजीवनी के बारे में। मैं जितना भी एपिसोड्स आए थे 15-16 सारा देख चुकी हूँ और मुझे बहुत चीज़ है बात करने के लिए, स्पेशली अबाउट द राइटिंग विद कंटेक्स्ट टू द कैरेक्टर्स। तो आई रियली वांट टू टॉक अबाउट एवरी सिंगल कैरेक्टर फ्रॉम द स्टोरी एंड हाउ इट इज़ ब्यूटिफुली रिटन। तो पहले मैं शुरू करना चाहती हूँ सरबुलंद के बारे में, बिकॉज दिस कैरेक्टर हैड a lot of difference of opinion when it comes to the audience, especially with Danyal playing Sarbulan Kal. But I'm here to defend it and I'm here to contradict it. I feel like Danyal is the right person to play Sarbulan Khan. Here is why. So, pehle, Sarbulan Khan is a character who is not, a Khan by birth. It's like he's from a very renowned family, but it's not like he's interested in it or he is not mentally being prepared in his entire childhood to become Khan. So he is somebody who is like the typical younger kid. He's going to college, full of life, charm, and that's what Sarbulan Khan's personality is as a character. So for me, Danyal and the charm he is bringing into the character was so on point. जितना भी उसका मस्ती है बानू के साथ, मुदस्सिर के साथ, it was so fun to watch, and I personally loved his energy throughout. तो story ऐसा है कि he is becoming a Khan all of a sudden when there is a big loss in his family, and for me I felt the writing was very good in that point. क्योंकि if you're a younger kid, you can bang on agree with the way Sarbulan Khan is. Because younger kids are exactly like him. When there is, happiness, they will express it 200, 300%. But when there is sadness or when there is grief or when there is any tough emotion, they don't express it loud, and they hardly tell what they're feeling to others. और दूसरा बात है कि they keep it to themselves. They don't process it that easily. They try to go into denial mode. And for me, Sarbuland being that was like very, very well written and very, very properly justified. And kind of मुझे लग रहा है कि why people had this difference of opinion is that we are used to watching a male character with a lot of energy, that masculine energy, kind of misogynic and kind of controlling as a person, especially when they are in power, like some Khan or some company's boss. So they have this attitude, they carry that energy, that aura in them. But Sarbuland is not one such character. इसलिए I felt like many people were not ready to accept him easily. पर मेरे को तो पहले से बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि I feel like क्यों ना होना चाहिए ऐसा कहानी. Why do we have to have male character in a certain way? He's completely opposite and I feel like हर बार हमको redemption arc नहीं देखना चाहिए, है ना. अभी उसका जो body language है, it's more like he is in a denial mode where he is not exactly processing it out loud, but धीरे धीरे he will break down eventually as the story progresses, what I think. And if he is doing that, it will be like an amazing कैरेक्टर आर्क. तो फिलहाल मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है एंड हिज कैरेक्टर्स मेकिंग मी क्यूरियस टू नो मोर कि क्या चल रहा है इसके दिमाग में, क्यों इतना शांत है. एंड इट पेन्स for you as an audience to see this shararati bacha who's holding all the responsibility from a matter of second. Like he was not into it, or he might not have thought that he's going to become Khan someday, but eventually when the responsibility is hitting him, he's just taking it. So that shift in his character is like very, very good. And आगे देखते हैं. और अभी हम सरबुलंद का दोनों शिप्स के बारे में बात करते हैं. आई हॉनेस्टली लव शेरबानू एंड सरबुलंद क्योंकि दे हैव दिस हाई स्कूल वाला what do you say, that spark in them, that cuteness, that funny banter, everything is so high schoolish. And they are like शेरबानू का तो it's madly in love kind of a girl. तो मुझे तो वो दोनों का इक्वेशन भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. लेकिन सरबुलंद और रबिया का, people are mistaking it with the fact that it's forbidden right now, but I am telling you, I'm not a big fan of forbidden kind of stories. But with this, I'm in love with Sarbuland and Rabia क्योंकि अभी उन दोनों का कुछ है ही नहीं. Like the concept is that even if there is no relationship between them, they have this equation that is screaming chemistry. Like there is zero romance. अभी तक कोई romance है ही नहीं, होना भी नहीं चाहिए. पर जितना हमको मिल रहा है ना देखने के लिए, उसमें they are serving angst in a platter, like big platter. So there is so much angst. And one more thing is that I think for girls, respect is like the biggest turn on. And I think the hottest thing any man could ever do is show respect towards a woman. And that's what Sarbuland is doing with regards to Sherbanu. Like he is nowhere being disloyal to her. He he's just being the nice guy. So with Sarbulan and Rabia, there is like so much distance, and you feel like you want to, watch them more. You're craving for them more. You're like desperate to see them together, and that's how a good chemistry works. And that's why the story is working. लेकिन अभी मुझे बहुत बड़ा परेशान क्या है ना कि how are they going to convince me as an audience when it comes to शेरबानो का ट्रैक, क्योंकि I don't want her to die, and मुझे कहीं ना कहीं लग रहा है कि मुदासिर का death we could feel convinced as an audience like now Sherban is going to die, so I feel like how are they going to convince it, ज्यादा फोर्सफुल नहीं लगना चाहिए. सो दैट इज लाइक प्लेइंग माय माइंड. बाकी शेरबानो का विलन बनना भी मुझे नहीं चाहिए, तो इससे बेहतर है उसका डेथ हो. लेकिन आई फील लाइक आई मिस हर एट द सेम टाइम. आई डोंट वांट हर टू बिकम विलन. वो इतनी प्यारी है, माना कि शी इज लाइक वेरी इम्पल्सिव, बट शी इज लाइक द मोस्ट cutest girl. Like, she's very impulsive, but she is not bad at heart. So I kind of like her too. So I'm like in a dialogue कि क्या होने वाला है. So I'm very very looking forward to what's gonna happen upcoming. So yeah, अभी के लिए I feel like Danyal is doing a fabulous job as Sarbulan. Not every time we need some alpha male to have that hero kind of a material feel. Sometimes it can be a soft guy like Sarbulan Khan. So yeah, आप अगर शो देख रहे हो तो जरूर कमेंट करना और बोलो कि क्या अच्छा लग रहा है शो के बारे में और क्या अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, take care and subscribe जरूर करना.